our hotel, in our room. This is the Microtel Wyndham Hotel. This is the bed. This is beside here and in here. And then there is the closet for Microtel. It's pretty nice. You have for safe, for the money. If you want to make laundry, you can put over here. Hang your dress or clothes, small TV, and then this is their like the makeup dresser there, and then they have the telephone. It's over here. That's their telephone. They have also have a table stuff over here. It's a queen bed. It's very small. And then this is our, like, if you want to get a tea or coffee, that's what you're gonna do. They have a sink. They have a water ice cube bucket here and then here. And then this is the garbage. Small mini fridge. That there's nothing on there. Nothing, it's empty. And then they have a small lampshade. Not small, it's a big one. Big lampshade. And then they have a kind of like living room, like a table. But what we do here, our luggage, we just arrived today. It's our first day. And then look at that. Look at the beautiful hotel. See, this is the bathroom or washroom, right? Finally, we get a blower. Another one, 2 cube for soap. This is so pretty. One set of towel, kids saving. Another, this one, need more. This is the policy, drinking water is hallway. This is the shower. This is what you do. Here, sanitize Microtel. This is the bathtub. No, there's nothing bathtub. It's only shower. Alright, there's no shampoo. Where's the shampoo? Nothing. Hand sanitizer. Soap, shaving. Towel again. Oh. Shampoo or lotion. Okay. And then I think that's everything. This is our room. That is. Oh, I found something that we have a microwave in the top. We have some food there. Then there's a small cabinet. This is pretty. There for the food. Or hot water if you want it. And then yeah, that's everything. And here. Perfect. We're gonna go back. And this is our at the view, our small how this is our small like this is the view. That's the pond, and then here going here, and then close it, and then yeah, I think that's everything.